Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ on Arma Reforger. First, understand that DayZ is a standalone survival game, but its essence can be experienced within Arma Reforger through community-created modifications. These mods transform the base game, bringing the familiar DayZ elements like scavenging, crafting, and intense player-versus-player interactions to the Arma Reforger engine. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a different take on the survival genre. To begin, you'll need to install the necessary DayZ mod. Launch Arma Reforger and navigate to the in-game workshop or mod browser. Use the search function to find DayZ or other community-made survival mods that replicate the DayZ experience. Once you've found a suitable mod, simply subscribe to it and allow the game to download and install the files. This process usually takes just a few minutes. With the mod installed, it's time to join a server. Relaunch Arma Reforger and head to the multiplayer section. Here, you'll find a server browser. Look for options to filter servers by mod or game type. Search for servers specifically running the DayZ mod you just downloaded. Select a server with a good ping and available slots, then connect to start your survival adventure. Good luck out there. Once you're in, the core DayZ experience awaits. You'll need to scavenge for food, water, and supplies to survive the harsh environment. Be wary of both the infected and other players, as player-versus-player combat is a significant part of the game. You can choose to team up with friends or go it alone, but always stay vigilant. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your time surviving in Arma Reforger's DayZ world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.